Welcome to our grower workshop. Today I'll show you how easy it is to install the GROHE Purefoam. The box contains everything you need for the installation. Of course, it's always helpful to read the assembly instructions. Here is another overview of the tools you will need. The unit can either be screwed or glued. So let's get started. Before the installation, several dimensions from the TPI should be noted to determine the best position for the foam unit. Also, pick a flat surface on the wall to ensure that the unit can be safely installed. The shower tray should now be covered to protect it against damage. First, turn the unit around and remove the two Allen screws. Then remove the mounting plate. Now the mounting points can be marked. Position the mounting plate, align it with the spirit level, and mark the boreholes. Now drill the holes with a 6mm drill bit, insert the wall plugs, and clean the surface. Next, remove the liner from the adhesive plate. Press it on, and attach it with the screws. Done. Alternatively, the mounting plate can be glued on. Thoroughly clean the surface for this. Then remove the liner from the mounting plate, align it with the spirit level, and press it on. Next, screw the adapter for the adhesive syringe into the glue point. Fill each glue point with one syringe. Repeat this step for each of the 4 glue points. Then dispose of the syringes and adapters. Wait for at least 24 hours for the glue to completely harden. After the mounting plate has been fixed to the wall, the installation that follows is identical for both methods. Attach the unit to the mounting plate and fasten it below with the 2 Allen screws. Next, the shower hoses are screwed on. The mixer tap is attached to the rear hose connection. The hand shower is attached to the front connection. Now the charged battery can also be inserted. Finally, the soap cartridge is inserted. Remove the protective film, insert the cartridge, and affix it with a gentle twist. Now the unit can be tested. Turn on the water and press the left button to activate the foam. Then wait for the water to flow again. Perfect. Now it's time for the handover. Before the job's done, there are still a few things left to check. Job well done.